Hi, I'm Becky Goldsmith and I am at Quilt Week, and I want to share with you some tips about thread that not every quilter knows. I'm primarily a hand appliquer and I use cotton thread for my hand applique. Mostly what I use is 50 weight thread wound on a bobbin. And the reason I like my thread wound on a bobbin is because in hand applique you don't need to carry a lot of thread with you when you go. And I have 25 different colors of thread inside each of these boxes. It's a lot easier to carry. The thread that's wound on these bobbins is a 2-ply 50 weight thread made by Superior. This is Masterpiece. Masterpiece comes in two flavors. If you buy it wound on bobbins, it is a 2-ply 50 weight thread, which is thin enough and strong enough to be suitable for hand applique. Masterpiece off the cone or the spool is a 50 weight thread, but it's 3-ply. It's thicker and stronger for work on the machine. So I piece with Masterpiece off the cone or the spool, but I applique with it off the bobbin. So you might be confused about, well, they're both 50 weight, aren't they the same? No, they're not. And actually, that 50 weight designation indicates a different thickness of thread with each company. So a 50 weight Aurifil, which is a lovely thread, it's a cotton thread, is a 2-ply thread that is slightly finer than the 2-ply 50 weight on the bobbin from Superior. Wonderfil's 50 weight cotton, I think, is a 3-ply thread, and it's a little heavier still. I would really like to use it and plan to for machine quilting. I think it will be beautiful for that. There are other companies' threads. Just remember that each company's 50 weight, 60 weight, 30 weight, all those designations only have meaning inside that company's collections of threads. The important thing for you to remember is that you need to look at the thread, really look at the thread. Don't rely on the numbers on the spool, and identify those threads that work for you inside whatever project you're making and for whatever application you're doing. So I hope that I've given you enough information to set you free and go out there and find the threads that work for you. I've told you what I use. I hope this is helpful. Enjoy your sewing, and I look forward to seeing you at Quilt Week.